silver skies, a fragile world where the first dream flies. Moonlight breathing on a nameless flame. Every soul is born without a name. It starts so light in the undermoon air. From earthbound murmurs the wind still shares. From silent wings in the open blue. From pale white mist where the tents shine through. It starts with breathing, a sound unseen. A wave awakened deep in between. From the heart's first spark to the final beat. A nation born where your pulses meet. Inside that fire, inside that land, you choose the path, you make your stand. Where it all begins, hold on tight. Love is the key in the endless night. Every step, every scar you find leads to the freedom inside your mind. Where it all begins, don't let go. A quiet love with a steady glow. There are poets born and healers rise. Hands that harvest souls that visualize. Some were told they'd never be the one, but iron wheels in the fireworks spun. It starts with love, the Creator gives. Tasting the light as the wax runs dry. Guard your heart more than gold or crowns. Through falling empires and shattered towns, so your soul may feel the sacred bond. Where flags dissolve and we stand as one. Is calling you through small steps and roads unknown. You're never walking them alone. Where it all begins, let it start in the feel as a rhythm of your heart. Soft winds fade, but the fire remains. Freedom whispers your hidden name.